How to turn off autofocus in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app, and then here you can see your autofocus. And if you want to off your photo focus, then simply open settings and scroll down and open camera settings, and scroll down in last, and here you see the option macro control. Turn this button on, macro control button on, and go back and open camera, and here you see the floor icon. Click on floor icon and turn this floor icon on, and here you can see your autofocus will be turned off. And the another way to lock your focus, then simply press and hold on your screen for 3 seconds, and here you can see auto expire and autofocus will be locked. So here you can check your autofocus will be turned off. So this is the way to turn off autofocus in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.